Hello there, and welcome back to another exciting video. If you stick with me for the next 10 minutes or so, I'll not only show you how to do it, but I'll also show you how to grow it and start making even more money. You don't need a website, you don't need a credit card, and you can do it from anywhere in the globe. And this is going to be one of the most interesting videos you've ever seen on how to make money on the internet. So without further ado, let's get started. But first, don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comment section if you enjoy learning and new money making strategies so that I may continue to share new ways to make money online. In this video, I will show you how to make money online by watching YouTube videos. This will help you earn $3,600. It is free and available worldwide. This is a perfect side hustle, so stay tuned. To begin, I recommend that you go to youtube.com and look for motivational videos. You'll get a flood of results from other individuals with millions of views after that. Before you jump to any conclusions, let me explain that this method does not require you to make your own videos, nor does it necessitate the use of a camera or a YouTube channel. However, I do want to teach you how to make a lot of money by watching other people's YouTube videos. Here's an example of one of the motivational video results. As you can see, it has millions of views. This video now has millions of views, demonstrating that a huge amount of people are interested in this type of content and movies. So for step 1, I like you to select 3 distinct videos from the search results, and that's all there is to it. For step 2, I'd like you to go to uii.io. You can make money using PayPal by having people click on your unique link on this page. The principle is simple. All you have to do is sign up for the free account on the website and then shorten your URL, which I'll show you how to do in a minute. After you have your shortened URL and encourage people to click on it, you'll be paid in PayPal money. Every day, people from all over the world are paid actual money in this manner. You are paid per click, with the amount varying depending on who clicks on your link. For example, you'll be paid $7 if individuals from the United Kingdom click on your link, and $5 if people from Norway click on your link. You can check all of the different rates on their website. Let me repeat, they all operate on the same principle. Shorten your link, get people to click it, and get paid repeatedly. That's how we'll go about doing it. Go to YouTube and select 3 different videos. From there, simply click the share button and copy the video link. Instead of sharing this YouTube link, we'll shorten it on uii.io. Remember how I said you could earn money if people clicked on your link? Now the question is, how do you get people to click on your link, and more importantly, how do you encourage people to visit your site? Now we have to figure out how to persuade folks to click on your shortened URL. This is the point at which I enter the picture. This copy and paste script has been developed for you, and you may use it whenever you need to urge someone to click on a link you've sent them. The script's title is Motivate Oneself Like Never Before, and you can read it in its entirety here. Simply copy and paste it into this column before entering and inserting your URL. Simply copy and paste the entire script as displayed. Let me now show you how to create a free account. To sign up for free, simply click this button and you'll be led to this website, where you can do so. You only need to enter your username, email address, and password now. You'll see all of this, which is basically your statistics, once you've entered into your brand new account. In this part, you can see how many clicks you get and how much money you earn every day. Naturally, if you're logging into a new account, you'll see 0 immediately away because you haven't yet shortened any links or gotten anyone to click on them. I like to show you this identical example with a brand new account so that you may imitate what I'm doing and start making PayPal money right away if you're watching right now. All you have to do now is click the new shortened link button to open this window. Before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new and exciting videos about earning and new money-making strategies online. As you can see, the next step is to go back to YouTube and choose the first video to post. Now, all I have to do is click the share button and copy the YouTube URL link. Then go back to my dashboard and paste the link into this box. I'll simply write motivational under alias. Then press the shorten button right here. And as you can see, it'll immediately shorten this YouTube URL. This is a unique UII.io shortened URL. And when people click on it, they'll be taken to YouTube, where they may start watching this video. And you'll be paid per click. All you have to do now is copy the shorter URL from here and go back to our copy and paste script. Scroll down to this point and paste it. Now, all we have to do is repeat the process by going on the second column and inserting the second link. And then repeat the process with the third video using this method. The more links we put up, the more money we'll make. Once you've got all of the connections in place, go to File, then Download. And save the document as a PDF to your computer so you can start utilizing it and publishing it on the last website I'll mention. Now, we're on the last phase, which is to get a lot of people to click on your shortened link and generate a lot of free traffic. Simply go to slideshare.net, where people can submit various documents and presentations such as slideshows to share information with others. You can create a free account by clicking the sign up button at the top of the website, which will take you to this page where you can create an account. Simply click on the upload button at the top of the page to be taken to this page where you can upload a file. That's where the PDF file will be uploaded, right here on slideshare.net. Over 160 million people visit slideshare.net each month. And many of them are looking to learn something new. As a result, this is an ideal location for you to publish this paper for free, so that others can read it for free as well, and if they want to learn more, they can click on your link and begin watching the videos you provided. It's a win-win situation because you are paid per click while also sharing a nice video with others. And that wraps it up. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you don't miss any of our future videos. I appreciate your undivided attention and I hope to see you on the next video.